All right, so let's go with Volta brackets. I already was thinking today about how I would approach this problem, and yeah, I think it can be easily done, and hopefully, although I have not that much time, I think I can even test it today. But we see how it goes. Maybe there will be some edge cases that I haven't considered, and I will struggle with that as well today. So who knows? All right. So the idea is quite simple. Let me think where it's better to declare a new variable. Yeah, I think I would do somewhere here. So variable would be called measure indexes that we need to skip. Measure indexes that we need to skip. I think skip like this. Yeah. Measure indexes that we need to skip because of Volta. I think it's Volta brackets choose A, right? No, choose O, of course. Volta brackets above them. So it doesn't really matter, kind of like, which number they have, because they go in a certain sequence, and yeah, I think it will be more or less easy. So whenever I'm going through this thing, and let me open the page schema, because I also think I need to somehow to keep the information about active Volta brackets and so on. Yeah, there are certain variables here which are nice. Alright, so obviously I need to have a variable which will tell me, let's separate them maybe, because they relate more to Volta brackets, and the variable will be Volta brackets how would call it? Volta brackets are in progress or something. No. Let's call it our active, although I think from the context it's quite clear what's going on, but still, let's call it as a false. And yeah, let's go. If measure parameters have Volta mark, let's say it starts before or starts here. And then this variable is going to be true, and we do the same at the end. which is finishes after or finishes here. Although I would switch the places because I think this one is more important logically. And here we go. So so if this thing is active, then we are pushing measure index and and even before that let me think, maybe we can okay. Anyways, so we go in like this. If it's not -1, then of course we are just continue, and yeah, I think that's about it. Let me think though. Maybe there are some other cases, but but yeah, it's quite important to start it before those things because of course if we just merge it, we cannot skip the measure with with alter bracket. So okay, let me stash the changes because I think I need to go back to the master, pull out the changes, or pull down the changes, yeah. So Midi, let's call it Midi 4 since our stream is kind of like called this way. Git stash, apply. Let's run the test just to be sure. I'm pretty sure that it doesn't break anything, but it's always nice to have them. Cannot read properties of undefined. Oh, okay, yeah, sure. Of course, we gotta do something like this. And down below, we're doing the same thing. All right. Okay, wonderful. Now let's go and create some tests. Let me think. Maybe I can create tests that based on this one, let's say. But yeah, I was also thinking about some edge cases where it's like I'm also thinking that somehow double bar line, bold, like double bold bar line also should affect those things, but not necessarily. We need to consider that now maybe a bit later. But the point is, even if volta brackets are, if user, let's say, makes a mistake and draws volta brackets in a way that they contain like hop through those repeat dots, like ending repeat dots, the logic will be the same, and I don't think it's that crucial. Okay, so let's just copy this thing, and so yeah. Okay, I guess it's a 9. Repeat the, oh sorry, we can create volta brackets, by the way. Volta brackets 1.txt. So let me go to the test. I'm feeling like I'm getting used to the new background color. I mean, it's alright. Although I would say it's a bit brighter than I thought. Maybe yeah, I'm using super bright screen, but anyways. Alright, so I gotta think about how we would approach this. So probably I'm gonna create first volta bracket here and second here, and we'll see how it goes. So volta bracket from measure 1 to measure, how it's called, measure 3, I guess. So yeah, let's say, and yeah, probably I need to find this thing as well. Let's add some text. By the way, I'm quite curious why it doesn't have to complete. Does it have to complete here? Nope. Okay, I found the bug. List of options. Volta. Okay. Yeah, there is nothing here with text. Probably something like this. Alright, is the editor watcher specified? Nope. Let's restart this thing. Okay. Now let me just reload the page. Okay, it works now. Always nice to fix those little things. So from measure 3 to measure 3 with text 1, let's say. So yeah, it works quite well. And of course we can copy this thing for the 4th measure. I'm also thinking maybe I can, is there no, there is no such thing. Probably I need to create one. Anyways, it's all good. Yeah, it's a bit bulky, but whatever. And also, I think the top level is not adjusted automatically for cross measure setup, I would say, but whatever. Yeah. Bum, ba, bum, 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 bum. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Maybe I shouldn't draw them that closely to bar lines, not quite sure. Yeah, let's Google Volta brackets just to see how they look originally. I mean, kind of like, yeah, they have this thing, so let's maybe do this. I don't know. Where is it? Okay, so let's say ends with double bar line. Yeah, it doesn't change that much because we're extended to this line. Okay, so maybe we even can fix it now. We need to go to the drawer. Probably there will be some failed visual test, but whatever. So where is probably measure? I don't know. Yeah, Volta. Okay, let's go to Voltas. Let's see. So there are voice bodies, whatever, drone measures on page, blah blah blah. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. All right. Okay, actually we are using. Okay, current voice body. All right. So is the measure is a part of this thing? I don't know. Let's check it out. Yeah, I don't know. Why? Why I'm doing like this? I ain't quite sure. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. I mean, we can do the same thing like there, right? Yeah, I don't know why I did this thing. Okay. Let's now run the visual test, I guess. I think there will be some of the changes, not quite sure. Of course. Bum bum bum. Yeah, I think this one is more precise. Let's, yeah, this one, guys, I really like. Yeah. Okie dokie. Bum bum bum. Yeah, that's really nice. That also I think would be nice. Yeah, generally I'm quite happy. Although I'm not quite sure that this is necessarily correct, but it would make much more sense with because I don't have any visual tests with 2 or more volta brackets kind of like aligned together or something like that. So yeah, npm run unison restart. Okie dokie. I think we can go to the first test and just start updating them, because of course there is also second font which I need to fix tests for. So yeah. Bum bum bum. I still have some doubts whether I should have put Leland, because they're quite similar with the Bravura, but on the other hand, those 2 fonts I kind of like, can appreciate them. Others are kind of iffy, so I'm not quite sure. Anyways, so now let's go here, reload, and see. Yeah, now it looks better, and now we can say that it ends with bold upper bar line. Alright, that looks at least sensible. Okay. Yeah, if I would choose between this and what was before, I think this one makes more sense, although yeah, it also starts from bar line. It's not like I'm taking for like, you know, 100% source of truth, but sort of reference. Yeah. Anyways, we can always fix that thing. And now let's paste this thing. npm run test audio create volta brackets 1. And now let's run all of them. They took around 2 seconds, which is good. Okay, let's check it out. So my prediction, if I did everything wrong, we go in here, we go in here, we go in here, then we repeating this thing, then we immediately go in Yeah, we are going here. There is a red line, but whatever. Okay, so that's quite tricky because right now I see flaws in my logic because going here we repeating from here, but we skipping, right? We going yeah, we immediately go in here. Yeah, I realize now that's not correct approach because we should stop repeating because it's kind of like a second time or whatever. Oh yeah, right, because here we are repeating. Yeah. Okay, so in order, yeah, I understood now. Because here we're repeating one more time because we have ending dots, but if I really don't want to, actually this is a good test because in this case we're gonna repeat from here again, but we're gonna skip this one and we are going to skip this one, and now we create additional test which basically is the same, but we'll have third kind of like third water bracket which will be open. So, or not necessarily, if it's just one measure. So yeah, okay, let's see. Yeah, it works perfectly. Wow. The logic that I wrote initially works. That's awesome. I mean, that's really cool. Now let's go and let's go and put this thing. Yeah. Let's go and create Volta brackets 2.txt and basically, yeah, let me just go here. Yeah, let's create let's create one more measure which doesn't have any repeat signs. Of course it can end with this, and just creating number 3, and tell me that in any other app you can do with the same speed. I really doubt. Let's go and break this thing to new line. And now we can just go to measure 1 from measure 2 or whatever. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's create one more measure. And let's hide the last measure. Okay. And let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so yeah. So this thing will be played, then this, then we repeat, but we go right here, then we repeat again, we go in here and here. So yeah, but what I would say is let's put it 16th notes in order to distinguish them. Okay. Okay, let's go. What can I say? It works perfect. Lay. Okay, so. Okay, let's create now breaking. So let's make a intentional mistake. Kind of like Volta brackets 3.txt. And here let's do this. Let's remove this thing and let's go from 3 to 4. I even can leave the text in order to show that it doesn't matter. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm quite curious. Volta brackets number 3. Yeah, I think. Okay, now let's create the tests. Alright. So, my prediction is following that we're gonna play it and then we're still gonna jump, so it won't matter, right? So let's see. Okay, because we've played. Okay, that's interesting. Let me think. So yeah, for some reason we are not jumping from here to here, which is a bit weird. Okay, let me try again. Oh, okay, I realized what's going on. So, since it's not been finished, right? But we repeat it, so repeat dots should end should declare Volta brackets are inactive again. So I guess so. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Yeah, we should do something like this. Bum bum bum. Alright, now let's try again. Okay. Let's see what's gonna happen now. That's interesting. So yeah, it doesn't break here. Okay, bum, bum, bum. Does this behavior satisfy me? I don't really know, but I suppose yes, because it's automatically yeah. Does this thing work? Does this thing work? Quite well. Okay, let me think. I kind of like see the sense in this, and I think that it will not break positive edge cases. So yeah, why not? Why not? I think it's alright. And also, I think that I need to check my cache updater, since I updated and fixed many bugs. I think it's time to create a new release. So yeah, let me just restart Unison. Bum bum bum. Let me go to changelog and let me add the next version, which is 17th July. What we improved? I think we improved autocomplete for Voltas, and also I think also we also done something. Yeah, a Volta offsets, Volta break, or rather offsets for Volta brackets. Okay, let's update this little fella, and yeah. Oh wow, yeah, there are tons of changes. Alright, get it all. Let's commit this thing. I'm not quite sure how should I commit this, but whatever. Volta Midi plus Volta autocomplete plus Volta brackets drawing, whatever. Okay, now let's I forgot, should I update the npm package? Yeah, let's update the npm version patch. Now let's update the cache. How it's called, I even don't know. Okay, this one. I don't think I need to create new resources for documentation. Anyways, let's just hope that it will work. Okay, so there should be like CSS or something, because I updated that thing as well. Anyways, let me just push the changes. Although I don't remember where am I? Where I am. Yeah, git push region midi form. Okay, I haven't done git pull apparently. Git scout master. Okay, so I just updated. Anyways, git commit update cache. Oh my god, I committed to the wrong branch. That's bad. Git log one line. Let me go back to midi form. Git cherry pick this thing. Git branch minus d master. Let's delete this thing. Git switch master. Git log online. Git pull. Okay, that's weird. Media 4 git branch minus m. Let's rename it this thing, Midi Volta. Let's push this thing there, Midi Volta. Okay. I'm curious about this thing, so let's see. Okay, main CSS most of the time, but there should be like, yeah, this thing also should be updated. Not this thing, but sorry, editor mean, or how it's called. Yeah, like this one, but instead editor. Yeah, it's not been updated. That's not good, because I thought that it will be updated. Ay. Why haven't you? Does it mean that the script does not work? I don't know. I don't know. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, it's not been updated. That's really... Oh, sorry, not this one, but... I mean, there should be a similar one, I guess, somewhere. Can I take a look at the raw file, please? Yeah, it's not been updated. I mean, that's weird, because I remember that here the file being updated. Editor mean or something like that, I don't remember. Bundle. Yeah, this thing has been changed quite significantly. So why doesn't work? I don't know. Let's see what's going on here. Directory. Okay, so okay, I get it. I guess. I guess I get it. Not quite sure. Okay, this thing should work. Dun, dun, dun. Changed files from previous release. I don't know. I don't know. By the way, can I retest this thing if I, let's say, going to do this and let's say yeah, let's do this. Yeah, I think I forgot to update. Okay, it's status, git stash, npm run version patch. There should be error about the creating text, I think. I don't remember the command. npm run, or yeah, npm version patch 1.2.1.2.3. No, I don't think so. Okay, so at least it's been updated. Now let's update the cache, but this time I'm quite curious. Not here. Never, not here, not here, not, yeah. I'm quite curious about changed files, so to speak. Like, what's going on? Yeah, for some reason this thing it's being called multiple times. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not quite sure. Changed files from previous release, but where's the editor? Where is editor? And for some reason, like, we are logging this thing multiple times. I'm not quite sure why. Yeah, that's a weird thing. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, maybe for every commit we've done so far. Anyways, I don't see anything remotely related to editor unified file. Which is again quite weird, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I really want to release today with updated front end, but I'm not quite sure. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I even don't see this file. But anyways, let's manually update this thing for now, and we will deal with that a bit later, I guess. Bum, bum, bum. So which version? 1, 2, 2? Yeah, okay. Alright, so we updated, which is good. Also, I think I forgot to log out something to delete the logs. Bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. Okay, I think I've deleted this thing. Okay. Fix version of JS files. Yeah, I'm super tired. I wanna sleep. Go to bed. Vault, blah blah blah. Okay. So let's see what's changed. Editor. Okay, so let me go to the pull requests, compare, blah blah blah. Okay, so yeah, it's all good. I'm creating pull request. I think the linter is quite alright. I haven't added anything that probably could have ruin everything. And also, yeah, let me just in case run the visual test, because those are not the one that I wanna break. Okay, seems like alright, but let's see. Yeah. Okay, I think I can merge it. Alright. Unison official.com. Okay. It looks nice. Maybe I will experiment with background color further down the way. We'll see. It's sort of such things must be inspired, and you know, I should be excited about them, but it's all good for now. So yeah, nice progress. The next thing, of course, is to do. I think I wrote sufficient amount of tests. Maybe we will add them more. Also need to handle coders, signs, and other repeat notes, which is can be tricky, I'm not gonna lie, but I would even say that it's relatively simple. Then we go to measure rests, brave marks, and fermatas. Those kind of things are quite easy. And should I separate? Yeah, we'll separate them. Then I will handle dynamics, which is also quite easy compared to what follows dynamics. But yeah, everything on the other hand is quite interesting, so I'm quite excited. Alright, I think it's time to finish.